Go. Dito may taba dito. Hello everyone, we are here at Manila Memorial to visit my daughter. Maria Isabel Angelica Mia.
Wala naman doon. Makanan po dito yung kids nyo.
With my family.
Oh, may aso na. Oh, that reminds me of time. Kabukali tayo.
Hello Agnet. Yobo. Mia anak, happy birthday anak. Happy birthday heaven anak. We love you anak. Miss you so much. Miss na miss ka lang namin anak.
Wala ka pa.
Happy birthday in heaven. Ate Mia, we love you so much. Love lots. Mama, Papa, and family. We love you anak. God bless you. Julie. Hey Julie. Hello Julie.
Hi, tita.
Ang sabihin mo kay Mia?
We miss you.
Sister, sabihin mo kay Mia. Happy birthday. Oh. Junior, ang sabihin mo kay Tita Mia? Happy birthday. Ano hiya? Hello Junior. Baby. Hello. Hi. Agnet, ang sabihin kay Tita Mia?
Happy birthday pa.
Oh, yubo, sabihin mo kay Tita Mia. Yubo.
Happy birthday, tita Mia.
Sige ka sa kanila.
Happy birthday, tita Mia.
We love you.
I love you.
Pakita mo yung drawing mo, oh.
Ayan po, oh.
O, yan ang drawing niya, oh. Okay. Si Dr. Princess.
Tapos may, ano ba tayo? Papa, may gunting ka ba?
Andre!
Where's the lighter at?
Andre!
Papa, yung lighter daw.
Andre, sabi mo kay Tita Mia. Andre!
Hanap ka lang muna.
Okay, one. Si Dr. Princess and Daniel. Hello, San! Hi!
Dito ko kumain.
Okay. Let's eat. God bless everyone! God bless everyone!